Hello everybody, my name is Jane Lee and welcome to Come Cook with Jane, a show that simplifies Asian-inspired dishes with readily available ingredients. I want to help you demystify Asian cooking so that you can come up with new and delectable treats for you and your family. Today I want to introduce to you one of my favorite baked goods, chocolate mochi brownies. It takes the familiarity of chocolate brownie infused with the chewiness and deliciousness of mochi. It is a dessert that is not too overly sweet, and it pairs well with coffee, tea, milk, or any of your afternoon choice of beverage. It is a very popular dessert in my household, and I can't wait for you to try it. And one of the best things about this dessert is that it is also gluten-free, so that if you have such dietary restrictions in your family, everyone can enjoy it. I can't wait to get started, shall we? The following is the ingredient list for today's recipe. Let's start with the dry ingredients. Take 2 cups or 320 grams of glutinous sweet rice flour. Next, pour in 1 cup or 200 grams of brown sugar. Now pour in 1/4 cup or 25 grams of cocoa powder. Next, measure out 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Finally, add half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Now take a whisk and thoroughly mix all of the dry ingredients together. Now for the wet ingredients. Take 1/4 cup or 2 ounces of melted and cooled butter. Now pour in 13.5 ounces or 400 milliliters of coconut milk. Now take 2 large room temperature eggs and crack them into the bowl. Now measure out half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now pour in 2 ounces or 40 grams of bittersweet chocolate that has been melted and cooled. Finally, it's time to whisk together all of the wet ingredients. Now take all of the dry ingredients and pour it into the wet ingredients and fully incorporate them into the mix with the spatula. For this recipe, I am using mini brownie molds, but it can also yield 12 donuts or muffins. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. I like to use a batter dispenser to dispense the batter because it makes the process a lot more efficient and neater. Once you're ready, bake in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, but not any longer, otherwise the brownies will overharden. Once you pull them out of the oven, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Now transfer all of them into a wire rack to cool completely. And here is your finished product. Well, our hard work is finally done, and look what we made. Look at these delicious brownie bites. They look super delectable and ready to eat. I can't wait to try it. So let me take a bite first. See? First of all, the house smells delicious. It smells like chocolate everywhere, but this taste is out of this world. It tastes like a brownie, but the texture is a bit softer and airier and lighter than a brownie, and it is super delicious, and it's not overpoweringly sweet, so you can probably eat a lot more than you would normally. It is so good. Let me see how it tastes with my teeth. It's so good. I wish you guys can try it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe today. Please let me know what you think about the recipe in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit like. I'll see you next week. Bye!